The 10 tech trends that will transform our world. The simultaneous convergence and interaction of numerous technological trends are what distinguishes the fourth industrial revolution from earlier ones. In this video, I will outline the top 10 technological developments that, in my opinion, will fundamentally change how we do business and live our lives and are fueling the fourth industrial revolution. Number 10. New energy solutions. Nuclear fusion is frequently hailed as a sustainable and possibly endless source of energy for the future, but there's a catch. Maintaining a fusion reaction uses more energy than it generates. But now, thanks to improvements in magnet technology, we might witness the delivery of a nuclear fusion reactor by 2035. Green hydrogen is yet another intriguing zero-carbon energy option, which is different from traditional gray hydrogen production. With green hydrogen, water is electrolyzed to separate into hydrogen and water without any byproducts being produced. Historically, green hydrogen was essentially impractical since the process required so much electricity. Renewable energy sources could, however, alter this. Number 9. Nanotechnology and materials science. We have already made some amazing advancements thanks to materials science, which studies and manipulates materials, and nanotechnology, which studies and manipulates matter on an atomic and molecular level. Examples include tiny computer chips, smartphone displays, lithium-ion batteries, and stain-resistant fabrics. Looking ahead, this trend may lead to significant advancements in solar energy affordability, electric vehicle battery technology, and other areas that will improve the planet. Number 8. Gene editing and synthetic biology. When bad genes are found, genes that potentially harm the health of an organism or its offspring, gene editing can have unique advantages. These negative features might theoretically be changed thanks to recent advances in gene editing technology. Gene editing could thus result in some significant advancements in the struggle against disease in people, animals, and crops. While tiny DNA alterations can be made using gene editing techniques, synthetic biology can involve joining many lengthy strands of DNA and putting them within an organism. The organism may behave differently or acquire whole new skills as a result. Number 7. 3D printing. These days, almost everything may be used as a 3D printing medium, including plastic, metal, powder, concrete, liquid, and even chocolate. Today, entire homes may be 3D printed. Manufacturing could change as a result of this. In summary, 3D printing allows for the production of items that are difficult or impossible to construct using conventional techniques. The streamlining of the production process, and the production of highly customized products while lowering waste and expenses. Number 6. Digital trust. Users trust in enterprises to create a secure digital environment in which interactions and transactions may be carried out simply, safely, and securely is fundamentally what is meant by digital trust. Many people, including me, think that distributed ledger technology like blockchain will be crucial to increasing digital trust and secure interactions. Despite this, there is still a ways to go before the technology is fully available to all kinds of enterprises. The solution may be found by several companies collaborating with the numerous fresh thinkers and doers who are making significant progress in the blockchain industry. Number 5. Extended reality, XR. The word XR serves as a catch-all for the full range of immersive technologies, including virtual reality, augmented reality, and mixed reality. XR was first best known for immersive gaming, but it is now being employed in a variety of businesses to provide more immersive, customized experiences for both customers and employees. Customers can now virtually test out things, for instance, placing a new sofa in their living room to see how it looks, and staff may learn in new, engaging ways. Number 4. Artificial intelligence, AI. The massive amount of data being produced is a key enabler for AI, which has advanced dramatically in recent years, especially in the area of conversational AI. AI enabled smart speakers to respond to 100 billion voice commands in 2020 alone, which is a 75% increase over 2019. The lesson for businesses is that as machine interactions become more sophisticated, people will demand that all kinds of goods and services include AI functionality. Number 3. The datification of our world. The IoT and ubiquitous computing both make significant contributions to the daily generation of vast amounts of data. But in addition to this artificially generated data, we humans are also producing enormous amounts of data as a result of our daily activities, and this is not slowing down. The good news is that firms can utilize this data to build better goods and services, boost decision-making, and even develop new streams of revenue. However, organizations also need to be aware of the dangers that come with data, particularly those related to data privacy and security. Number 2. Connected and smart everything. You've probably heard of the Internet of Things, IoT, thanks to gadgets like smart TVs, smartwatches, and thermostats. The term Internet of Things, IoT, describes the rising number of intelligent, connected, and items that can collect and transfer data. Anything that can be connected in the future will be connected. Not just in terms of tools and goods, although that is undoubtedly a crucial factor for companies, also in terms of the places where we live and work. The environments around us will increasingly be capable of monitoring what's happening and taking appropriate action. From networked, smart factories and offices to entire smart cities. Number 1. Ubiquitous computing. These days, we can find computers everywhere, in our cars, on our wrists, in our household appliances, and even in our pockets. We swiftly adapted to computers and other technology becoming smaller, lighter, cheaper, more powerful, and more commonplace as processing power improved and computer microchip size decreased. For instance, a typical smartphone now has more computing capability than a supercomputer did 10 years ago. Looking ahead, quantum computers will likely represent the next significant advance in computing power. These machines are so quick and potent that they could be utilized to finish new, previously unachievable jobs that conventional computers can't do. That's it from this video. Let us know what you think about the list in the comments section below. If you enjoy this video, please like the video and also subscribe to our channel. Thank you.